Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about how I made this large urn out of spalted maple and deer antler. So about a year ago I made this bowl out of spalted maple, and it's about 6 inches across and about 3 inches deep. And it's really beautiful. It has beautiful character, and I want to make a top for it. So I made this top, milled it out of the same wood, put a hole in the middle, same wood, and I carved it out so it would hold more, because it's going to be glued right onto this bowl, just like that. I will glue that in, and finish the whole thing. I don't know how I will position this. I'll try and find a spot where it looks so it blends, the top and the bottom blends nicely. Not sure how I will do that. Then I made out of the same material this top, which will go on there. So that'll be the top, and that's a nice snug fit. And then, once I get that done, I'm going to somehow put these pieces of antler in here. These pieces of antler possibly in here, like one there. And then one there. They'll all be curved in one there. And then I have another one that will go there. So possibly like that. Or maybe tip them to the side. I don't know yet. That's all in the wait and see what happens process. Okay, so I've sanded both of these pieces, all three of these pieces actually, top, bottom, and the hood, or the lid, and glued these two together. And what I will need to do next is buff them and put a coat of wax on them to make them really shine. And then attach the antlers. And I'm still considering how to put, whether I do it this way. The reason I'm considering possibly this way, so the whole piece is up and these stick down. I'm not sure about that, but I don't want, when the hood is on, I don't want it to be in the way of someone pulling it off, because that could be an issue, unless I raise this up. If I raise this higher and let these extend down lower, so this is basically the foot, and then this will be up higher. So I decided against the feet, the antler feet, and I went with just a piece of antler on the top. It has a little tine there at the bottom, and I put it with a gold epoxy into the top of the lid of the urn. And it's got a crown on it. But I decided against those antler tines, just didn't like the way they looked. But it's a pretty cool piece. I'm happy with the way it turned out. I appreciate you taking the time to check out this video of this large urn. And if you're interested in purchasing anything, you can find them at Eclipse in Wilmington on Racine Drive. If you're interested in seeing more, please subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications. Thank you.